What's up guys, Meredith with AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're checking out the OPR Master Power window switch for the driver's side, fitting all 2007 through 2013 Silverado 1500s. Now this will be great for the truck owner who has a damaged, broken, or non-functioning power window switch and needs an affordable OE style replacement. Nothing is worse than having a small but very important part in your truck break or malfunction, and in an older gen, the power window switch can be one of those, making this a great solution. Again, nothing's more annoying than a broken switch, but this one specifically controls all of your windows, and the window locks in one panel and is likely used very often. Now this panel specifically will have an OE design to the T with the function, the switch shape, the graphics on the front, and the little light on the window lock. Now after swapping this in, you won't be able to tell the difference from how your truck came new from the factory. This is made of a tough plastic construction. Again, it is going to be basically the same one that you'll be popping out, except for this one is going to be functional, so you'll be able to pop this into your door card and not have any issue. Now on the back, you'll also see two OE style connections, so you can ensure that this is a plug and play construction, making it very easy to swap this into your truck. Now this is an affordable fix at about $40. Now this one will be one of your most affordable choices in comparison to other options available in the category, but keep in mind that most of these are going to have a very similar OE design, although some may vary. Now this will be true to spec, so if you want an affordable, easy, and OE style choice, this is a great one to consider. Install will be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and should only take you about an hour to get the job done. However, at this point, we can head over to our shop and check out a detailed breakdown on how to get this into your truck at home. So that's going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet, a plastic pry tool, and a 10mm socket. What's up guys? Today we're installing a replacement window switch in our Silverado, so let's get started. So now to get access to our switch, we're gonna have to pop off our door panel. There's a little gap on the bottom here where you can get a plastic pry tool. So we'll get in there and pop this cover up. And then you can just grab a 10mm socket. There's a bolt at the top and a bolt at the bottom. Then with our handle removed, just grab that same plastic pry tool and just get in this gap to pry up. Now with that popped up, we can flip it over. I'm just going to disconnect these 3 connectors here. So the 2 on our switch just have tabs that you press in on. Pop out. And then this last one, we're going to have to press in on this bottom portion here and pry up. I'm going to grab that plastic pry tool to get in there, press that clip down, and then pop that connector up. Now we just have 2 clips on each side that we're going to have to release to pop this window switch out. So we're going to pull back on these 2 pieces. It's got the same thing on the other side. And then we're gonna push on the switches here, push up from the bottom to pop it out. Now you wanna be careful with this. Don't really pull on it because it is thin plastic, you can crack it. So I'm just gonna get my fingernails behind it and then push up. And then do the same thing for the other side. And pop that out. So now we're just gonna do that same thing in reverse. We'll drop our switch in, get it all lined up, and then we can just press this down into place. And then we'll just plug in all these connectors. And then clip that back down into place. And now we'll just reinstall our door handle. We've got this locating tab here that's going to go in this hole to get everything nice and lined up. And then we'll just grab our 10mm socket and our 2 bolts. Get those started by hand. And then throw your ratchet on that socket and tighten those down. And then you can reinstall your cover. Once again, we've got a little pin that's going to go into that hole. And just get all your tabs lined up. Press that into place.
So that is going to wrap it up for my review and the install of this OPR Master Power window switch for the driver's side, fitting all 2007 through 2013 Silverado 1500s, and you can find this right here at AmericanTrucks.com.